Right now, a machine is training itself on your data. And it just made you redundant. Data scientists are the architects of the AI revolution. They build the models, wrangle the data, and translate numbers into decisions worth millions. But here's the uncomfortable truth: the very technology they helped create is now coming for their jobs. Tools like AutoML, ChatGPT Code Interpreter, and Google Vertex AI are automating the full data science pipeline. From data cleaning to model training to deployment, AI is doing it faster, cheaper, and without a PhD. So the question isn't whether AI is good at data science. It's whether data scientists are still needed at all. Here is what AI can already do better or faster than a human data scientist. First, data cleaning and pre-processing. AI tools like DataRobot and Trifactor automatically handle missing values, outliers, and feature engineering in minutes. Second, exploratory data analysis. Tools like ChatGPT and Julius AI can generate full EDA reports with visualizations from a single prompt. Third, model selection and training. AutoML platforms like H2O, AutoGluon, and Google AutoML test hundreds of models and tune hyperparameters automatically. Fourth, writing code. GitHub Copilot and Code Interpreter can write, debug, and explain Python and R scripts on demand. Fifth, generating insights and reports. AI can now summarize findings, create dashboards, and draft executive summaries without human interpretation. So how do data scientists avoid becoming the data in their own redundancy model? Here are 4 strategies. Strategy 1: become an AI strategist, not just a practitioner. Move from building models to deciding which problems are worth solving. Business context and stakeholder communication are skills no AutoML can replicate. Strategy 2: master MLOps and AI governance. Deploying, monitoring, and governing AI systems at scale is still deeply human work. Learn to manage model drift, bias audits, and regulatory compliance. Strategy 3: specialize in unstructured and complex domains. Healthcare, law, climate, and geospatial data require deep domain expertise that generic AI tools cannot replicate. Strategy 4: lead the humans and machines team. The future belongs to data scientists who can orchestrate AI tools, interpret outputs critically, and translate them for business decisions. So, will data scientists be obsolete by 2030? The World Economic Forum predicts that AI and automation will displace millions of analytical roles, but also create new ones. Junior data scientists doing routine analysis, model building, and report writing? They are already feeling the pressure. But senior data scientists who understand business strategy, AI ethics, and complex domain problems? They will be more valuable than ever. The irony is this: AI needs data scientists to tell it what matters. The algorithm doesn't know your business. You do. By 2030, the data scientist who survives won't be the best at writing code. They'll be the best at asking the right questions. The model is only as good as the mind that frames the problem.